Martin Hurry Blues Guitar Licks. Hey, how you doing? Martin Uri for this bluesguitarlessons.ca. Remember to visit my bluesguitarlessons.ca website. You can find videos, you can take online lessons with me. And thanks to be here, thanks to like, support and subscribe and share this video. Today, a few tips, a few licks, one lick, two licks, I don't know, just an idea, a concept you can apply to your own playing. And it's about bendings, bending some notes over your minor, major pentatonic scale, your hybrid scale, as I used to call it, to get a different flavor or sound. The idea is to play, let's say, today in the key of C, now with my 335 clean, box 1, let's say, in the key of C. And the idea of this concept is to play the minor pentatonic scale and to play three notes, the major third, the sixth and the ninth, which they come from the major pentatonic scale, and bend half step, half tone of that major third, sixth and ninth in order to get the sound to dive again into the minor pentatonic scale. So the example is better if I show you this. So in the key of C, minor pentatonic scale, box 1. Yes, we can use this in any of the 5 boxes. I will give you an example, but let's start in box 1. So this is my box 1. Here in the string number 3, in the third string, here in between these two notes, I have my major third. Yes, and it's the same in string number 1 and 2. This is my minor pentatonic scale, but this is my ninth. And this is my 6, my major 6, So, in order to get this sound, what I'm going to do is to play the minor, and now I play the note in between, in this case on the string number 3, which is the major third, and I bend half step to get the fourth, yes? So it sounds like this. I continue, and now the same with string number 1 and 2. I just, instead playing the minor 7th and the minor 3rd, I play the 9th with half step bending, and I play the string number 2, which is the major 6, and half bending to get that sound again, the minor 7th. So the trick here is to bend exactly the note, to the sound, to get the sound, when you bend, to get that sound, which is the next note, and I continue with the penta. Same here, I jump to box number 5 of C. That's my 6th, my 9th, and my major 3rd. If I put my overdrive a little bit, box 1. The major third, the 6th and the 9th, as you can hear, with the overdrive sounds pretty intense. Yes, it's a good approach. It sounds beautiful, and you can apply it immediately to your own playing. Yes, so this is the concept, the idea for today. Thank you very much. Remember to subscribe, like, and share this video. Visit my website, bluesguitarlessons.ca. Yes, and thank you very much. See you next time.